So the first method is to restart your PC or Steam or both. So for that, go to Steam, click on Steam over here, then click on exit. After that, click on Windows icon or start icon, then click on power and select restart. So this will restart your system. After restarting, now check if you can launch the game. If not, the next solution is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam over here, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, then go to the installed files and click on verify integrity of game files. So after verifying the game files, now try to launch the game and check if it works. If not, you need to try to check if there is any update available for graphics card. So for that, go to the search option over here, search for device manager. Now go below expand display adapters, select your game, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will search for the best drivers and install it, and after that try to launch the game and check if it works. Apart from that, I have also provided the link for Nvidia and AMD graphics card. Just copy those and go to your browser. Simply open the link and select your product details, and after that download the latest graphics card for your PC. And AMD users also open the link and simply download your graphics card, and after downloading, update or install the latest versions and then try to play the game and check if this works. Next is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where it has been installed on your system. Then select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, then click on compatibility, and here you need to click on run this program as an administrator and then click on apply and OK. Now try to launch the game and check if it works. If not, then click on run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 7 and hit on apply and OK. And after that, try to launch the game and check if this solution has resolved the issue. Next is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, under general, in the launch option you need to type -dx11, then try to launch the game and check if it works. If not, simply type -dx12 and then try to play the game and check if it helps you. If not, then you simply need to reinstall the game. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then click on uninstall, and then click on uninstall option again. After that, this will remove the game from your system. Apart from this, you can also go to the control panel, then click on uninstall a program, and here you need to search for the game. Simply select it, right click on it, and click on uninstall. So this will also remove the game from your PC, and after that, restart your PC once, and again go to Steam or wherever your game is in you want to play, and reinstall the game and then try to play. Hopefully now you can play the game without any further problem. So these are few solutions that are suggested to fix the game Tiny Bookshop crashing at startup, not launching, or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.